ESTA code exercise 5 start. I am directed to address you on the subject noted above and to say that in the past the practice has been that when an official was given promotion from an assumed date, benefit of service was given for fixation of pay, while arrears of pay were allowed only for the period during which he actually performed the duties of the higher post. Full stop. Some officials who were given war service benefit, including pro forma promotion to higher posts, claimed arrears of pay for the entire period through a writ petition in the High Court, which was granted. Full stop. Appeal filed by government against the decision of the High Court has been dismissed by the Supreme Court. Full stop. The ruling of the court is that if an official is wrongfully prevented from performing the duties of the higher posts, he must be given arrears of salary. Full stop. When an official is notionally promoted from an earlier date, there is an implied admission that he was improperly, deprived of his promotion on the due date. Full stop. The claims for arrears of salary should, therefore, be accepted in such cases. Full stop. Paragraph. As a result of the decision of the Supreme Court, the following issues have cropped up: whether the arrears of pay should be granted only to the persons who obtained a decree from the court, or to all the officials who were granted pro forma promotion, whether because of war service benefits, what should be the future policy of government regarding grant of pro forma promotion. Full stop. As regards the first issue, government are of the view that concerned officials should not be forced to start mere formal litigation to get dues. Full stop. The decision of the court, in the strict sense, helps only parties before the court, but since a clear has been created by the Supreme Court in one case, the other officials who were granted pro forma promotion in similar circumstances are also sure to succeed. The additional cost of the government. Full stop. It has, therefore, been considered advisable to admit all such claims as a matter of principle. Full stop. Paragraph. As regards the second issue, since in view of the Supreme Court ruling that arrears of salary must be given even for the period of pro forma promotion, it will have to be ensured the pro forma promotion is given only in cases where it justified on compulsive grounds, as illustrated in the subsequent paragraphs. Such exceptional cases for re-employment of persons beyond their age of 60 years in all grades, both in government service and corporation, etc. full stop, should be submitted by the ministry concerned together with its recommendation, through the establishment division, to the president for orders, full stop. Such a proposal shall be made in the form of a summary containing the approval of the minister in charge, and signed by the secretary or additional secretary in charge, full stop. The summary should indicate reasons for substitute not being available, steps being taken to train a substitute, and whether the extension is creating promotion blockade, full stop.